shoppers, I'm Abigail from Zappos.com, and this is Right Time from Dirty Laundry. These outdoor style boots are crafted with a smooth leather upper, and they're available in a variety of colorways. They feature a fold down collar so you can wear these two different ways, which I absolutely love. They feature a lace up front that will provide you with a secure fit. Inside is plush faux-fur lining that will keep you nice and cozy throughout your day. They have a cushioned insole for comfort, and it's all on top of an outsole that is lugged for traction. It's definitely the right time to buy these boots. They're from Dirty Laundry.